Today we'll be discussing how to multiply complex number expressions. Complex numbers are made up of two parts, a real and an imaginary part. A complex number standard form is written as a plus bi, where I is equal to the square root of -1. Let's evaluate the following in complex number form. Let's say we have to evaluate 3 plus 7i times 2 minus 4i. So the number one thing would be to multiply out the numbers. You can do this by using the FOIL method, which is basically multiplying the first term by the first and the second term in the second parentheses, and then the second term in the first and second terms in the second parentheses. And from there, using that method, you'd get the following. And then you can simplify it even further so that it becomes 6 plus 14i minus 12i plus -28 times -1. And this is because -4i times 7i would be equal to 28, because I times I is equal to -1, and -4 times 7 would be equal to -28. So those two multiply would just be positive 28. And simplifying that even farther, we get 34 plus 2i as our final result. Remember to always put it in the form of a plus bi. So the correct form would be 34 plus 2i, not 2i plus 34. Now let's look at a second example. 6 minus 11i squared. So right off the bat, we can see that this is a difference of squares. And that's noted as a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. I'll also be sure to reference an intro to complex numbers and intro to difference of squares in the description box below, where a is equal to 6 and b is equal to 11i, as we can see in our expression. So now using the difference of squares shortcut, we get 6 squared minus 2 times 6 times 11i plus 11i squared. Now we know 11i squared would be equal to 121 times -1. And it's -1 because I squared is equal to -1. Now further simplifying that, we get -85 minus 132i. I hope this video helped. Comment down below any other math topics from review. Thank you.